Hey y'all, welcome back. It's D+3. Today we're making another bento box lunch for my son. Today's another easy one. We're doing ham and cheese sandwiches on these sweet Hawaiian rolls. I almost forgot. Instead of putting the mayo right onto the bread, we're going to put it in between the meat and the cheese so the bread doesn't get soggy. For his fruit today, he's getting a cup of pineapples, and he also requested chocolate pudding with sprinkles. I'm adding in a couple handfuls of goldfish, and then for a fun treat, he's getting some fruit snacks. Jackson then decided he wanted the whole box of goldfish, and then he helped me pick out the sprinkles to put on Kaisen's pudding. And he's going to get his water like normal, but today we're doing strawberry watermelon flavor. thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.